Previously on Ready to Die.
Got a new plug, my other guy sucked. I got too much and I got too.
This one right here, it's just kind of slanted.
Rusty 3.7, she's down for now, but she'll be back.
Having that money buy drugs. That like it's a bunch of little bugs on top of me. Help me, I can't get them off.
1 out of 4.
Put me over, I'll put you in the bath. It's too late, no more chop it up. Do a little bit of karate.
All right, Rusty, give us a rundown.
Okay, on these Mustangs, for the rear brakes, you need a certain like lock thing to be able to compress. So we're not doing the rear brakes today because I gotta go buy the parts. Is it blinking red? It's been a minute since I've used this. We got a beautiful guy over here, bro. Look at him. Are you serious? Dude, I'm looking right at you, bro. What are you whistling at?
Give me that like roll of orange, yellow wire that's in the garage.
Oh shit.
What are you talking about, bro? I don't know what you're talking about. So you're gonna want to do this very nice and gentle because there's a brake line right here, and you're not gonna want to take that off because if it falls off, we got a problem. Yo, what do you have against American cars, bro?
A lot.
So if your rotor doesn't come out that easy, what you're gonna want to do is you get a block of wood and a hammer, and you're gonna go to work. Yeah, they'll see it in the first 2 days. I need an extender. All right. So on these rear Mustang brakes, see, this is kind of interesting. Which side do I use? All right, we're gonna try this. All right, so that one doesn't fit. So as I was saying, for the rear brakes on at least my year Mustang, dude, Danny, shut the f. Oh my God, it twists. Thank God it's not stuck. Fucking bitch. F a 3-part series. They want to see it in one video. Fucking pussy, bro. Yeah, some shit. Nutsack. Damn. Hold this. Just hold it because I need to fucking put the rotor on. Oh my.
I want to get like a welcome in Japanese in my car. You know, I turn on my car and I was like,
oh, welcome.
is it welcome?
Yo, this cube works wonders.
You said brake cleaner? My hand is here, bro.
No, I'm gonna obviously move it. Actually, no, you can leave your hand there.
That is Sergio.
Is it? What a f.
Sergio's so handsome. Hey Kenny, by the way, if you're watching this, where's my cut, dog?
What you laughing at back there, bro? I hear you. Oh my God, yo, chill out, bro. I felt that shit in my spine.
Hey, yo.
All right, this is gonna be a process because these pads are stupid right now. There we go. What? No, you don't want to go in, bitch. I'll make you go in, fucking bitch. Oh, no, don't come out on me. He's so tall and handsome as hell.
Who, Sergio? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, bro, Sergio's a baddie, bro. Insert picture of Swalio. Where's the hole, man?
Oh.
Where's the screw? No, guys, to work on cars, you're gonna need a lot of patience because it's been 3 days. Yeah, that was perfect timing, Danny. Yo, what are you watching?
Oh my God!
Yo, my neighbors are like, yo, what the f is going on over there? Yo, what the f is going on, bro? Who wants it? Dude, if I go 30 miles per hour and hit the e-brake, we're going into a wall. Dude, I don't know why, but my face always gets dirty when I'm working on cars. All right, boys, we just have one left. Valacy! Yo. Oh yeah, bring that over here.
Kangaroos have 3 vaginas.
Nothing under the car.
That didn't sound good.
I've been living life. I never loosened that one, so we're gonna use the torque wrench. Yo, do all these lugs look bent to you? So the last thing we need to do is put this jack stand under the car. Oh my God, it's not high enough. Once we put this under the car, oh my God, it's not high enough. You wanna crank it for me real quick? Yes, Father. Where's my cup at, bro?
Oh, the waterfall. I only drink Fiji. Awesome. Yeah.
F***ing bitch. These hands have been through hell and the arm has been through my asshole. That's why it broke. Ah, on my nose.
What the
Why are these bolts so fucking hard, man? you have the slowest car here.
Bozo. It's alright, bro. It's alright. Until I get my X Factor.
What? What is that gonna do? Look at my exhaust. That's what you gotta do. This right here. You get this fucking garbage and you gotta like bootleg it in. Okay, hold on. This isn't over. This is not over. Hold it up here. No, no. You're gonna have to hold that for a while, bro. Where did we put the hammer?
Those guys picked on my face. Thank God.
That was pretty easy. This one came out so easily. That's it. I think we're done.
No way.
No, not to break this in because we gotta make sure nothing's rubbing. You know what I'm saying? Help me with this.
Push it on. The baby is recording. No way.
Sheesh. Oh my God, bro. That makes such a difference, like in the aesthetic. We did it successful.
No, I gotta do it.
You gotta, yeah, you gotta do it for the Z. Look at this. Look at this beautiful Z.
I even have drilled and slotted on the 98 Ranger.
Look at the beautiful. Yo, this interior is actually like mint as f.
Fire as fuck.
Like the seats are like the leather, like they crack eventually, but like it's not like ripped. So it's a nice interior. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Where are we going now? All right, so it's test drive time. Here you go. Hold my hat, dude. I can already feel the difference. What the f? So the first time it's 40, and then I hit him hard.
Never come to a complete spot.
Yeah, I know. Ready?
Nope.
Ready?
Yeah.
What do I have to do for 50?
Same thing, all the way to 10. But hard as f, like as hard as you can do. Keep on doing it.
What did it say now?
Just don't keep on doing that. It's a 50 miles per hour thing. Don't come to a stop. So just f***ing run the stop sign.
It says 4 times, right?
Yeah. And then there's more after that.
Ready?
Yeah. Nope. Yep.
I'm going again.
Yep. Alright. And now you gotta do the same thing, but from 65 to 15. It's 65 to 15 one time, and then you gotta let it cool down for 20 minutes. 65 to 15.
Open my mirror. Bet.
Yep.
Oh my God, oh my God. You saw the camera?
Yeah, I saw that shit.
You saw, dude, I felt the slightest tick of the tranny. I don't know why it doesn't lock you out of reverse, bro. I f***ing hate that it doesn't do that. Oh, them shits are nice and spicy now. Hell yeah, boy. Hell yeah. They look nice.
33 and 32, this shit go crazy. Might shave my head like Britney. Might go insane, but I broke my brain if I got this fame too quickly.